Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to move Xfinity service to a new address, then this video is for you. If you are shifting to a new address and you want to transfer your Xfinity service to that new address, then you can just follow these three simple steps. The first one is check your address. They will actually let you know if Xfinity is available at your new address. There is no early termination fee when you keep or switch your plan. So if you want to know that if your area does have the Xfinity service, then you can just go to their website and you can just find Xfinity service near you by this drop down button, and you will find all the area list here. So you can just click on that list and you will find all the details about the service on that area. So if the Xfinity service is not available in that service, so you can actually move your Xfinity service to that address. Then review your plan. If your area, your new address is eligible for using Xfinity service, or Xfinity service is available in that area, then you can just confirm your move in date. And if you need any new equipment, you can schedule a move up to 30 days in advance. Now make your move. Use a getting started kit for easy self installations, or make an appointment for in-home installation. For that, you can just contact with them, customer support, with that live chat. You can just click on live chat and you can just confirm with that. Like here you can see the first one, transfer my service to a new address. You can just click on it, and here you can see a bot message here. So it will ask you for the new address where your home or your new home is, so you can just enter the address and they can help you with that. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.